Hi, it's Bob Wiley with the Wiley Group, Keller Williams Legacy Metropolitan. One more shot to let you see how the walls have been finished. They've been parged, they've been waterproofed. Now they're ready for the next phase, which will be the laying of the French drain. As you can see, the water around the perimeter. We got quite a bit of rain last week, and the water obviously settles around there. This will all have its own field that will have a sump pump system that'll pump the water out. So this will be taken care of. Now we wanted to go back up top here and show you the beginning stage of the plumbing that'll be going in. This is the plumbing for the toilet and the shower. As you see, it goes over into that black container, which will be a grinder pump, which will pump the waste out to the sewage line. There'll also be another, you can hear the thunder now, there'll also be another sump pump system to take care of this field. That's it, just another stage. We'll keep bringing these along to you. I hope they're helpful. Thanks.